My dear friends, today, let's begin a new journey together. A journey that may not stop the years from passing, but can surely make our lives more beautiful. I'm taking on the challenge of adopting a healthier routine, and I'd love for all of us to join in, so we can make our senior years stronger, more energetic, and filled with joy. As we grow older, both our body and mind need a little extra love and care. That's exactly what we're talking about today. How we can take care of our physical, mental, and social well-being. We know that at this stage in life, challenges like loneliness, fatigue, or even occasional memory lapses can appear. Yes, the journey isn't always easy, but here's the truth. Small changes can completely transform our lives. And the best part? Anyone can make these changes. A short daily walk, light exercise, nutritious food, and staying connected with friends and family. Believe me, these little steps not only keep us healthy, but also keep our hearts and minds happy. And here's something important. We don't need to chase perfection. All we need to do is keep taking small, consistent steps forward. That's the real victory. So, my friends, why don't we make a promise today that we will never let age defeat our health, our happiness, or our dreams? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments. What's the very first small step you'll take today for your health? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on healthy living.